Hi guys, and welcome back. We have a great mobility exercise for you today. It's, in my opinion, it's the easiest mobility exercise you can do. All you need is a foam roller. For the foam roller though, you need one that's relatively long and that's relatively firm. Okay, so let's get started. So for the setup, you can see Celia's just sitting on the edge of the foam roller and her feet are just placed under her hips. And she's gonna slowly lie down on the foam roller and she's gonna put her palms up. So that's essentially what the exercise is, and I'll just talk about the benefits. So this actually stems from Charles Poliquin. Years ago, he used to do this with his athletes before workouts, and he claimed it would increase strength potential up to 2 to 3%. So what are the many things going on here? Well, basically we're reversing bad posture. In regular day life, because gravity is pulling us down, we're on our screens all the time, our skeleton maladapts and we lose the natural curvatures of our spine. So what this is doing is kind of a gentle way of just reversing that, okay? So with her palms up, we can actually stretch out some of these muscles that are tight and facilitated in the anterior portion, right, because we're in that flex position. So with the palms up, depending where you place your hands, you're gonna hit different orientations on the shoulder girdle. So more in the lower position here, she's gonna have more pec minor, and then as she comes up, she's getting into her pec major, anterior deltoids, and if she really wants, she can actually put her hands right overhead and she's gonna get into her lats. And it's all a bit of freestyle, guys. Wherever you feel like you need it most, that's where you can hang out. So I recommend doing this for 10 to 15 minutes a day. While you're doing that, I'd recommend, you're gonna get more of this exercise if you actually focus on your breathing, okay? So what we wanna focus on is diaphragmatic breathing. So all our breathing should be done through the nose. And we're focused on diaphragm opening up, so big belly expansion, okay? And then we want to also focus on that our exhales are longer than our inhales. So if you want to count on an inhale 4 seconds, our exhale should be at least 6 to 8 seconds, and that's going to facilitate the recovery. Another thing this is doing too, guys, is because when we are standing, gravity is always pulling us down into a flex position, is that our spinal column actually compresses. So when we're lying in this position, we're getting those gentle decompression of the spine, which is going to improve nerve signaling, and that's, I think, where Charles got it from as far as a performance standpoint, that your nerves are firing to the muscles, and it's going to facilitate with strength improvements, performance, and all that kind of stuff. So there you have it, guys. A very easy, beneficial exercise. I'd recommend doing 10 to 15 minutes on a daily basis. I will leave more information in the description box if you want to find out more about it. And don't forget to subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.